what kind of tinnitus sound masking is the best? I think it comes down to personal preference, but for me personally, I like natural sounds, nature sounds. Sounds like the cicadas you might be able to hear, or rain, or ocean, something like that, something that's very natural sounding. The reason is because humans have lived in nature for hundreds of thousands of years, and I think that our central nervous system is designed that these nature sounds, these natural sounds, have a calming effect on us. Just like the color green calms us down. That's why I love living here, because it's such a lush environment. When I see green, I feel calm. When I hear the rain, I feel calm. When I hear the cicadas, I feel calm. And that, for me, has been the best masking sounds. I think there are other useful sounds and other sounds that people have said that have been helpful for them. But for me, I found that nature sounds have been the most therapeutic.